Hello my friends, I have another template for you for Davinci Resolve Fusion, and this one is abstract flower. It looks quite difficult, but it's not. I will show you now how to use it and what's going on here. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted your file. Then just drag and drop abstract background number 8. Connect to the media out. Press number 2 on the keyboard. Like this. Wait few seconds to render and you will get the flower. So let me now ungroup this and show you. Here you control the brightness. Here is the background. And here are three flowers, if you can call it like this. These are circles, ellipses, and going to the background and going inside the merge, and from the merge to duplicate, and everything is going on in this duplicate. Control everything. So if you want to change something, I will disconnect this and connect to the merge, and you will see how you can control this thing. If you want to make a 12, then put the angle 360 divided by 12. Reset the brightness. Increase the blend to 1, and then you will get some sort of flower. Color, you adjust here. Something like this, and then connect the other one like this. Is the same thing for the another flower on top of the last one. You can increase, you can decrease, or you can let me show you this. This is quite fun. Put the copy 6. And put the angle 6. And now we will copy this one and paste, and check this out now. When this duplicate 360 divided by 6, we will get this. And another one, connect like this, connect to the green arrow, connect to the green arrow, and you will get the another one. Go on the blend. This one is a little bit red. Something like this. And duplicate, In the duplicate wheel we make 8 and angle 360 divided by 8. And now you can control in the brightness. Like this. This all depends what you want. If you don't like it, just drag and drop like this. In case you mess something and you don't know how to reverse, just do like this. And he will render for you again the old one what I did. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.